As the market leader in enclosure systems, we know that each of our products is a specialist in performing exceptional tasks. Take production facilities, for example. Electronic components need to be protected to prevent production facilities from failing. Ever smaller electronic components have increased the packaging density in the enclosures significantly, thereby raising the sensitivity of the systems. Enemy number one is heat. Cooling units are used to dissipate heat. These protect the systems but also consume a great deal of energy. As a technology leader, Rittal has thus now developed a new generation of cooling units that are unique. Blue E+. We'll see why now. Energy. It's incredible. Blue E+ is the world's first cooling unit that saves around 75% of energy costs compared to state-of-the-art technology. This doesn't just bring financial benefits, it also protects the environment. Over 2 million cooling units are used throughout Europe. If all of them were replaced by Blue E+, this would cut CO2 emissions by 3 million metric tons. Technology. This represents a quantum leap by Rittal. While all conventional cooling systems work either with passive or active cooling, Blue E+ combines both for the first time and, thanks to highly efficient hybrid technology, integrates performance-controlled motors with use of a heat pipe. Blue E+ is also the first cooling unit whose speed is infinitely adjustable. This eliminates temperature fluctuations, in other words, thermal stress, and that in turn boosts the service life of electronic components. And here's another unique selling point. Blue E+ can be operated with all standard mains voltages thanks to a wide range input, making it a truly global device. Industry 4.0. The cooling units are primed to meet all needs. The near-field communication interface ensures contactless exchange of up-to-the-minute device information. The device status can also be transmitted to a central control station at any time via the Ethernet interface, thus ensuring the fastest possible service. And ergonomics? A user-friendly touchscreen enables Rittal to play a very practical role in man-machine communication. Blue E+, a unique innovation thanks to energy savings of around 75%, 3/4 fewer CO2 emissions, an increase in service life, and the potential to be used worldwide. And all this in one product, the most cost-effective solution on the market. Incredible! Rittal, the system. Faster, better, everywhere.